wanted to share with you my preferred way of creating a jogless transition of color when knitting stripes in the round, and specifically multi-row stripes. So essentially, when you're knitting in the round, you are knitting in a spiral, and if you were to change color and not do anything, you would get a staggered transition when you switch from one color to the next. As you can see here, my stripes are very clean, and you can't even tell where I've joined a new color because everything is pretty even. So it's very simple. Let me show you how I do this. So I'm approaching the end of my row, and what you do is you do knit one row in the new color. So as I approach the end of the row and you get to the beginning of the round, this is where you take the action. Okay, so here I am at the first stitch after the beginning of round marker. What you do is you dip your right needle into the old color, the row below, pick up that right leg and mount it on your left needle, and you knit this pair together, the new color and the old color. And that is how I create a jogless transition.